Are you ready for the Canadian Citizenship Test? Let's find out. On this channel, you'll find everything you need to pass on your first try. In this video, you'll get 20 multiple choice questions, just like the real exam. Pause, answer, and keep track of your score. At the end, let us know in the comments how many you got right. Ready? Let's start your practice test. Question 1. What is the meaning of responsible government in Canada's parliamentary system? A. The government is responsible for all citizens. B. The cabinet must have the confidence of the elected House of Commons. C. The king controls government decisions. D. The courts run the government. Correct answer. B. The cabinet must have the confidence of the elected House of Commons. Question 2. Which level of government is responsible for managing foreign relations and international trade? A. Municipal government. B. Provincial government. C. Federal government. D. Territorial government. Correct answer. C. Federal government. Question 3. What is the role of the Senate in the legislative process? A. To introduce all laws. B. To review and suggest changes to legislation. C. To run elections. D. To interpret laws. Correct answer. B. To review and suggest changes to legislation. Question 4. What is one key responsibility of Canadian citizens during elections? A. To observe only. B. To count ballots. C. To appoint candidates. D. To vote and participate in the democratic process. Correct answer. D. To vote and participate in the democratic process. Question 5. What does the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms guarantee? A. Basic rights and freedoms for individuals. B. Trade rights only. C. Military protection. D. Economic control. Correct answer. A. Basic rights and freedoms for individuals. Question 6. Who represents the king at the provincial level in Canada? A. Premier. B. Mayor. C. Lieutenant Governor. D. Senator. Correct answer. C. Lieutenant Governor. Question 7. What is the significance of Confederation in 1867? A. Canada became a republic. B. Provinces united to form a new country. C. Canada gained full independence. D. The monarchy ended. Correct answer. B. Provinces united to form a new country. Question 8. What is the role of the judiciary in Canada? A. To create laws. B. To enforce laws. C. To interpret and apply laws. D. To run elections. Correct answer. C. To interpret and apply laws. Question 9. What does freedom of association mean? A. The right to avoid laws. B. The right to join groups and organizations. C. The right to vote. D. The right to travel. Correct answer. B. The right to join groups and organizations. Question 10. What is one responsibility of citizens regarding the environment? A. Ignore pollution. B. Protect the environment. C. Avoid recycling. D. Use more resources. Correct answer. B. Protect the environment. Question 11. What is the role of members of Parliament? A. To interpret laws. B. To represent their constituents. C. To run courts. D. To manage provinces. Correct answer. B. To represent their constituents. Question 12. What is the purpose of taxes in Canada? A. To control citizens. B. To fund government programs and services. C. To elect leaders. D. To run courts. Correct answer. B. To fund government programs and services. Question 13. What is the role of the House of Commons? A. To interpret laws. B. To appoint judges. C. To pass laws and represent Canadians. D. To manage provinces. Correct answer. C. To pass laws and represent Canadians. Question 14. What is Canada's system of government? A. Republic. B. Constitutional monarchy and parliamentary democracy. C. Military government. D. Dictatorship. Correct answer. B. Constitutional monarchy and parliamentary democracy. Question 15. What is the role of elections in Canada? A. To choose representatives who form the government. B. To appoint judges. C. To create laws directly. D. To control courts. Correct answer. A. To choose representatives who form the government. Question 16. What is multiculturalism in Canada? A. One dominant culture. B. Only Canadian culture. C. Cultures are separated. D. Many cultures living together with respect. Correct answer. D. Many cultures living together with respect. Question 17. What is the role of the Governor General? A. To lead government. B. To make laws independently. C. To represent the sovereign and give royal assent. D. To control Parliament. Correct answer. C. To represent the sovereign and give royal assent. Question 18. What is the minimum voting age in Canada? A. 16. B. 17. C. 18. D. 19. Correct answer. C. 18. Question 19. What does equality under the law mean? A. Some people have more rights. B. Everyone is treated equally under the law. C. Only citizens are equal. D. Only leaders are equal. Correct answer. B. Everyone is treated equally under the law. Question 20. What is the highest court in Canada? A. Federal Court. B. Provincial Court. C. Supreme Court of Canada. D. Appeal Court. Correct answer. C. Supreme Court of Canada. Did you pass this practice test? share your score in the comments below and try more practice tests on our channel to improve your chances of passing on your first try.